Want to make money online without dealing with clients, meetings, or stressful deadlines? I'm going to show you my absolute favorite passive income model, perfect for beginners. It's the AI digital product business, and it's a game changer. Let's break down exactly how you can start this today. First, why is this so amazing for beginners? Imagine a business where you have no clients to answer to, no endless Zoom meetings clogging up your calendar, and no strict deadlines hanging over your head. You work when you want, where you want. On top of that, the profit margin is basically 100% once you create the product. Every sale is pure profit. It's a beautiful thing. So, what kind of digital products can you actually create? The possibilities are huge. Especially with the power of AI, think about creating and selling AI prompt packs. These are collections of high-quality prompts for tools like Midjourney or Chat that people will gladly pay for. You could also design and sell Notion templates for productivity, project management, or personal finance. People love organized systems. Another fantastic option is creating mini ebooks or short business guides. Pick a topic you know something about, or research a topic that's in high demand. It could be a guide to starting a side hustle, a manual for social media marketing, or even a collection of healthy recipes. The key is to solve a specific problem for a specific audience. You can also bundle things together, like creating social media content packs with pre-written captions, post ideas, and hashtag lists for small business owners. Now, how do you actually create these products? This is where it gets really fun and easy. You'll use AI tools like Chat as your creative partner. Let's say you want to create a guide on AI side hustles. You can ask Chat to help you brainstorm ideas, outline the chapters, and even write the content for each section. Your job is to be the editor-in-chief. You'll refine the content, add your own unique insights, and make sure it's valuable and easy to read. You're not just copying and pasting, you're curating and enhancing the information. Once your content is ready, packaging is everything. You need to make it look professional and desirable. Use a free tool like Canva to design a beautiful cover for your book. Format your guide into a clean PDF, or create appealing visuals for your Notion templates. A great design can make a $10 product feel like a $50 product. Presentation matters. Make it look so good that people feel excited to buy it. Okay, you've created your amazing product, and it looks fantastic. Where do you sell it? You have a couple of great options. The easiest way to start is with a platform called Gumroad. It's incredibly user-friendly. You just upload your product, set a price, write a compelling description, and Gumroad handles the payment processing and file delivery for you. It's designed for creators. Alternatively, if you're a bit more ambitious, you can sell it on your own website using platforms like Shopify or WordPress with a plugin like WooCommerce. This gives you more control over your branding and customer experience. Let's look at the math, because this is the exciting part. Imagine you create that AI side hustle guide and price it at a very reasonable $19. Your goal is to sell just 100 copies. That's $1,900 in your pocket from one product that you created one time. Every sale after that is completely passive. You could be making money while you're sleeping, traveling, or working on your next product idea. That's the power of creating a digital asset. So to recap, the step-by-step process. First, choose a digital product idea that solves a problem. Second, use AI tools like Chat to help you create the core content. Third, package it beautifully using a design tool like Canva. Fourth, upload it to a platform like Gumroad or your own website. And finally, promote it to your target audience. You can do this through social media, a blog, or even a YouTube channel like this one. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort to create something of value. But once you do, you've built an asset that can pay you over and over again. It's one of the most accessible and rewarding ways to start an online business today. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about building passive income streams, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more ideas to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.